What's going on, YouTube? It's your backyard gardener. Today is October the 23rd, 2015, and I'm about to harvest my sweet potatoes. I'm going to cut off all of these branches. I've harvested some of one bag just to see if they were ready. So now I'm going to harvest the other 5 bags for you guys to see. Remember, these are the ones that I started from scratch. So basically, I'm going to tear off all of these limbs like so, and then I'm going to dump. So let me get my friend to help me so that I can give you the best quality video on harvesting sweet potatoes instead of trying to work with one hand. Hold on. Just cut all these limbs down to the thing and take off all those first.
Cut all these down.
Yep.
These two?
Yep. Get rid of all of this. Yep. Okay.
These ones too?
Yep. Now I'm gonna harvest them in there because I want to keep my soil for next year. But I'm gonna dump them over in this black crate. Take that bag, anyone you want. Dump them over in the black crate. Just break them apart, but try not to break the potatoes if you see any. Got a few little tubers. That's what didn't seem like it did too hot. Just go all through them.
Yes, ma'am.
So this bag was a bust. Got those there. Alright, dump this soil in here.
In here?
Yep. And grab the next one. This is a more easier way to do them, but we're trying to see if it's a productive way. If you have mobility issues, and be very careful because you don't want to break the potato. Just beat on the outside of the bag. If you have mobility issues, you can do it this way. It's a lot more neater and cleaner, but again, we want to see if it's in fact productive. Let's see what we got out of that one. Oh, okay, so now we're getting somewhere. Just put them over here. So these are some pretty nice sized potatoes. Cause I don't got a little crack, and I don't like my sweet potatoes too big, but I definitely don't like them too small either. Some of this variety is a Georgia Jet, while the other variety, sorry for my hand in y'all way, the other variety, I'm not sure, it was just store-bought potato. And we started them for slips. So go back to that video at the beginning, and we'll see how I had started those from slips. If that's all, dump them in there. Yep. And grab your next bag. That look like that's a pretty good one. A lot of little tubers that didn't come out. Those little bitty ones, I don't just throw them over on that, break them down. Okay. Alright. Grab last bag, and then I'll show you what I got from the first bag that I harvested yesterday. Oh, that's a nice size one. Okay, I'm sorry I ran out of storage, but this is the end of the harvest, and this was wasn't a bad harvest. It wasn't great, but it wasn't bad. This is about 5 grow bags of them. I think next year I'm going to amend my soil a little bit better and fertilize them, because I did not come out and fertilize these at all this year. So, but for the most part, that is my harvest. This is your backyard gardener. Saying give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. You know, it's been a while, but it's the end of the season, so not a whole lot is going on. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Happy gardening, everybody.